Same-sex attraction is a test from God. The sin is in acting on it.
Maybe the attraction is God's way of showing us who we really are.
I've been watching, I've been waiting in the shadows of my time. I've been searching, I've been
Ah, that's mine. Do you know what? It's all yours. You can have it.
Hey, ready? I scrubbed the bathroom, I washed all the dishes, I've nearly done all the laundry. Now it's time to work on this body. Let's go.
Okay, we've had some very powerful shares today. Timothy spoke to us about the man in the bank and how empowered he felt when he controlled his sinful urges.
How did Timothy know that it was sinful?
Woman was made for man, to enrich the Lord's flock. Anything else would have to be.
Yeah, but isn't being dishonest sinful? Like, denying who you are, doesn't that make you a fraud?
Maybe if it's the righteous path, when the way's not fraudulent.
Exactly, thank you. We all stray from the path from time to time, and God rewards us when we find it again. In turn, we pass those rewards down to those whom we love.
This is ridiculous. I can't believe you're still doing this.
John Paul, you have chosen to come today, and that is your prerogative. But all I ask is that you don't disturb the rest of the group.
All he is doing is teaching you to hate yourselves. No, he wants you to be just like him.
If you want to keep your job, I suggest you stop this now.
I'm not going to let you preach this nonsense anymore. This ends now.
See you next time. Not going anywhere, are you?
Hey, can you not do that out of here?
What's that?
I just don't want to get in trouble for another thing that I didn't do.
Oh. One of the innocent ones, yeah. Save it. I know exactly who you are. Killed that girl, that influencer.
I didn't kill her. It was an accident.
I know your type. Me and my mates used to batter guys like you for fun. Keep your mouth shut. Yeah?
Come in! Hey.
Where you running, will you?
Sorry, you okay? Did you have a good New Year?
It must be nice having Ella back. Not for her, you know, from the City of Angels to Hollyoaks Village, bit of a come down.
Look, I am not in the mood, so keep your mouth shut.
All right, no need to throw punches.
So keep your mouth shut.
He's in a chirpy mood, wasn't he?
Would he have really thrown a punch?
Mate, it's Warren Fox, you never know what you're gonna get. Although he did save my life the other day, so I love him. He's a man who always gets what he wants, isn't he?
Everything okay, Darren?
Yeah. Oh, my heart rate's dropped. You have to run twice as fast now.
Or maybe we could take our time.
No.
After everything that's happened, you really think that you have a right to stand here and lecture these men?
We're here by choice, John Paul. You're free to leave.
Can you not see what he's doing?
I think this meeting is getting a bit derailed.
Indeed. Look, we all understand that sometimes these discussions get a little heated, so I think John Paul and I should talk about this privately. So, let's pick up where we left off next time. What on earth are you playing at? What is wrong with you?
I'm not the gay guy practicing gay conversion. God, I came here to talk about yesterday, and I find that you're still running these meetings.
These men look up to me. They need me, and they have chosen to be here.
You're making them suppress who they really are. You're denying them true love. Okay, okay. How you feel about Maxine, does that come anywhere near to how you feel about me? I thought so. So I'll ask you one last time. Stop all of this now, or I will stop it for you.
You do that, and you will never work here again.
But I know you. You're not going to sack me. Just like you can't bear to be apart from me.
Oh, I've got a stitch, mate. Oh, I told you not to drink all that water while you're running.
Darren, I called by the flat. Jack said you'd gone running. I thought he was having me on.
Starting the year as we mean to go on. Want to join us?
Oh, not in your life. Did you get my text about brunch?
Tony, I'm not talking about food now. I'm running, all right?
Oh, I see. This is about that message you sent Nancy, isn't it? Huh? You're trying to make the fantasy a reality?
This is all your fault in the first place for encouraging me.
Fine. You might be better off painting on some abs, though.
Yeah, good in tone. You know what? He doesn't think I can do this. I'm going to show him.
Okay. Time out, Mo Farah. Getting fit is as much about the mind as it is the body. And I know exactly what you need. Follow me.
It's a good thing John Paul isn't here. It's a perfect time to sort everything out for his birthday.
What's that?
It's my gift for John Paul. Look, it might seem a bit silly, but he told me that he always wanted something like this when he was a child, and of course I was never there to buy him things like this when he was little, and I was walking past a charity shop and I just couldn't resist.
Oh, what's up with you? You look rough. Says you. All that concealer on, you can still see bags. My son is in prison. I've got an excuse. Bobby's at a holiday camp, is he?
Look, stop it, will you? It's not helping.
Yeah, well, tell her I didn't do anything.
Mercedes, I know you're upset about Felix, but if you're struggling to communicate, then it's probably best that it comes to an end.
Yeah? How many runners can one couple do? I'm still trying to process it, okay? But I'm sorry I snapped. I just think I'll be all right now. Hey, do you think that we need to be worrying about her again?
She'll be all right. She's had plenty of breakups. She always bounces back.
Anna's doing much better. The hospital can't wait to get rid of her. She's driving the nurses mad. It's John Paul's birthday tomorrow. We thought we'd do something small, you know, after Christmas and New Year's. What do you keep looking at?
Don't. Please. Sam, it's my new celly. I don't think he likes me. I asked him not to sell drugs. And now he thinks I'm a grass.
Has he threatened you?
Everything he says sounds like a threat.
Well, can't you talk to someone, get him moved or something?
Oh, yeah. 1 minute. Let me just talk to customer services.
How bad is it?
I don't know. I feel trapped. You made me change my play, and now I feel like it's for nothing. We can't prove who sent that note, and you can't get that phone off Perry.
I'll get it back.
How? I should just give up. Even my lawyer says I'll have to do prison time because I confessed. Manslaughter's a minimum of 2 years, you know, and that's if you really look at it.
Then we'll get a better lawyer. I'm gonna do whatever it takes. I'll sell a kidney if I need to. I'm gonna get you out of here. Please, Prince, just don't give up.
Thanks.
So, how long are you planning on putting yourself through this? Preaching one thing and doing the other? It's not going to stay secret forever, you know.
So is that your plan? You're going to out me?
No. I would never do that to somebody, no. You are torturing everybody around you because you hate yourself. But there's nothing to hate. You're just gay.
I am not gay.
Carter.
And what would Freya think? Huh? If she thought I'd been lying to her for the last few years, if she realized that my relationship with her mother was a failure because I couldn't love her in the way that she deserved.
Well, she'll understand. She loves you. You're a father. Your faith teaches you to love and respect everybody, especially yourself.
I can't listen to this.
Look. You don't have to be brave. You just have to be honest.
Whilst I might be able to be myself, my true self with you, I am who I need to be for them and for her.
I think that's the sin.
I don't want to hurt you. But how can I tell Freya? She can never know.
Know what, Dad?